Hey y'all, Kent back with you, Daddy Dutch Barbecue. Today, you saw the pictures earlier, we have the easy function grill scraper. They did send this to me to try out. I have went through, read the directions. What we're going to be doing today to give it a good test, we are cooking some boneless, skinless teriyaki chicken thighs on the drum. So we're going to have it high heat. We're going to be glazing with the teriyaki sauce, so it should make quite the mess on the grates and give this a good workout. Now, I did read the first time you use this on one of your grills, make sure your grill grates are still hot. It makes it easier to form the wood. Then after that, you can use it hot or cold. One cool thing I did see about this that every barbecue guy should have, and that's the beer opener on the back. So, hey, they thought of us, guys. They thought of us, let me tell you. So, gonna show you a couple clips of the cooking and everything. Then we're gonna bring you back and show you how this grill scraper does. See you there. All right, we have about 16 pieces boneless, skinless teriyaki chicken thighs. Should be sugary, should be a little sticky. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna give this scraper a real nice workout. All right, let's take a look at this grill. It's still plenty hot, trust me. There, you can see the coals in the bottom. I just shut everything down. So we're gonna get the scraper in here, give you a close-up. You can see how much is on that top grate compared to that bottom grate. I should be having my gloves on. This is very hot, gang, very hot. Use gloves, trust me. This is hotter than Hades to me, and I'm used to it. But let me show you this. You can see how hot the grates are. See if I can get that to focus. Let me get it over here. And now it's focusing a little better. You can see how, with it hot, it's making the edges into the grate. So we are gonna get this finished, cleaned off camera, because I can't do both. Can't do it one-handed. I need to hold on to the grate a little bit. I'll bring you back and show you the shot of the grate when we're done. All right, that took about 30 seconds, gang. Now I spun the top grate roughly 90 degrees to the bottom one, so you can see it a little better. But I tell you what, once this scraper gets formed around your grate, it does a very nice job. So all in all, I'm gonna say that the easy function wooden scraper works pretty well. So if you're still here to the end, there will be an affiliate link attached to this. Please feel free to check them out. This was done on a drum smoker, which is going to make it more difficult than if you were on a pellet smoker or a kettle grill, because it's recessed 8 inches down. But all in all, a good product. Now we're going to use the bottom of it and crack a beer and enjoy some teriyaki chicken. Thanks y'all, take care, and we'll see you on the next video.